All right, guys, I'm here at Talos. They got some really cool products for the pool professional. So, Rob, let's go ahead and talk about it.
Okay, this is the transducer's direct wireless pressure transducer. You basically unscrew the pressure gauge, quarter NPT, screw that in there, and after it's screwed in, okay, I'm going to search. Well, I found it says pool filter, so now I'm going to click on that. And now I can see the gauge, and I can actually go in here under my gearbox. And now I can set my minimum gauge pressure that I want to display. It's -5. The max is 30. Here's my alarm points. So my upper level is 22 psi as an example. And the lower level we have selected as a -2. And I'm just going to go ahead and save.
So what does this allow the user to do?
It actually gives you alerts of what happened. It gives you alerts of a dirty filter, basically.
Okay, cool.
So we're going to simulate a plugged filter as the pressure starts going up. Now it's time to clean the filter or replace the filter. And depending upon which side the pump is on, if you actually create a vacuum. So we'll go into vacuum.
That's really neat. So can you guys give this the ability to allow the users to monitor various pools at the same time?
Yes, we can. Right now, this is what we're demonstrating is actually the Bluetooth one. You could actually walk into an area of Bluetooth connectivity about 200 feet, and you can actually see John Doe's, Jane Doe's, Mark Smith's pool and see all the pressure. We're launching a new one in about 90 days. It's actually going to be Wi-Fi.
Oh, neat.
Wi-Fi. Now you can actually sit there and monitor all these things remotely.
So it takes the guesswork out of when I should clean my filter.
Yep, it tells you automatically. There's no more, and let me go down. What's the gauge? Okay, show me 7 psi on this gauge.
Yeah.
You have to sit there and squint. Well, somewhere about there versus very easily, you can see exactly with great precision. This is about a 1% product, accuracy product, versus a 5 or 10% accuracy.
So it's a lot more accurate system too.
A lot more accurate instead of, well, it's kind of sort of, the filter's kind of sort of dirty. No, it really is dirty. You need to do something now.
That's cool. And so you can have a list of all your clients that have the system and allow you to monitor all their filters.
Correct.
That's
Correct.
awesome.
And get alerts on what's going on. You can actually check them remotely too.
That's cool. So the Bluetooth version, you have to be in range.
The Bluetooth within about 200 feet line of sight. Depending on if you're going through concrete block, 2x4, or metal buildings, it's going to affect that range some.
Gotcha. And then when the Wi-Fi comes out, you'll be able to basically check it anywhere.
Exactly right. The Wi-Fi is actually a lower frequency. Actually, it'll penetrate walls a lot easier too than Bluetooth does.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate you going over that, Rob, and hopefully it catches on and does very well.
All right, Eric. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you.